Hello, and welcome to Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. My name is Steve Burdett, and we're going to start with Lesson 2, Presentation Basics. Our objectives for this chapter are creating a new blank presentation, saving a presentation, creating a presentation from a template, adding, deleting, and organizing slides, creating a presentation from existing content, adding notes to your slides, and finally printing a presentation. Let's start with the first step-by-step, creating a blank presentation at startup. Get ready. Before you begin these steps, make sure that your computer is on. Sign into Windows if necessary. We're going to start PowerPoint. PowerPoint's start screen appears. Click Blank Presentation or press Escape. A new blank presentation appears. Click the File tab. Backstage View opens. Click New. The New tab of Backstage View opens. Click Blank Presentation. A new blank presentation appears in Normal View. Let's choose a different layout. Use the new blank presentation that is still open from the previous exercise. Click the Home tab if necessary, and then click Layout. A drop-down menu called a Gallery appears, displaying PowerPoint's default layouts. The title of the gallery is Office Theme, indicating that all of these layouts come from the default theme named Office. Click the Title and Content thumbnail in the gallery. The gallery closes and PowerPoint applies the chosen layout to the current slide. Now let's add text to a blank slide. Use the slide that is still on the screen from the preceding exercise. Click the title placeholder at the top of the slide. The text "Click to add title" disappears and a blanking insertion point appears in the placeholder. Type discussion points. Click the text at the top of the lower placeholder. Alternatively, you can hold the Control key and press Enter. The words "Click to add text" disappear and the insertion point appears. Type Customer Surveys and press Enter to move the insertion point down to a new line. Type Inventory Tracking and press Enter. Type Absenteeism Policy press Enter. Type Break and press Enter. Type Store Security and press Enter. Type Store Closing Procedures and press Enter. And type Cache Drawer Management. Now click anywhere outside the placeholder to clear its borders from the screen. Your slide should look like the one shown on the screen. Even when multiple slide presentation even when a multiple slide presentation is not needed at the meeting. Displaying an agenda, a list of discussion points, or a list of breakout rooms can be helpful for the group. Take note, if you click any of the icons in the lower placeholder, PowerPoint will display tools for adding non-text content, such as a table or chart. These types of content are covered in later lessons. The icons disappear after you insert content into the placeholder. Let's save a new presentation. Use the presentation that is still on the screen from the previous exercise. On the Quick Access toolbar, click Save. The Save As dialog box, the Save As tab of Backstage View appears. Navigate the folder where you want to save your files. To do so, click either OneDrive or Computer, and then click Browse. Then use the Save As dialog box to change the location as needed. Select the text in the file name box by dragging the mouse pointer over it and then press Delete to delete it. Type Manager's Meeting and click Save PowerPoint. In my case, I'm going to replace it, but you should not have this dialog box. This ends the first lesson for Chapter 2. Go to the next podcast to see more of Chapter 2.